Hey guys, today I just got in from Amazon the Pseudophoto RGB LED on-camera light sold by Dazzne. And this LED light is something a little bit different than some of the other ones because it has a built-in cold shoe. It not only has daylight and switches color temperature, but it actually switches all across a whole different spectrum of colors as well. So let's get this box open and check it out. Okay, so when we open the box from Amazon, we are greeted with a plastic bag, and inside this bag, I can see that this light actually comes in its case, already set up. Let's see. Inside the case, I have a cold shoe 1/4-inch adapter. I have a USB-C cable. There is some documentation, so a user's manual, and in this little area here, the actual light itself. Now this light is actually pretty hefty. It says Pseudophoto LED video light, and it's rechargeable, so I just have to plug this in and charge it up with the USB cable. So this is the back of the LED light. This is the front. On the side there is a 1/4-inch thread, and if you remove this panel, there is also a cold shoe mount for, let's say, adding a microphone or something like that. That's really neat. Also, there is a 1/4-inch mount thread on the bottom, and we have a USB port on the side, and all of our buttons are here, and I'm assuming it's power and to change the color temperature and all that other stuff. So let's do that now. So once you power it on the back there is a little display. I don't know if you can see that. That display shows the color temperature and the battery life. And I'm just going to, it shows I'm 5,500 Kelvin right now at 0%, so I'm just going to hit the plus sign. Oh, and there, just like that, it starts lighting up right away. And we'll go all the way to 100. Now this is at 100, and you can see it by my face. And this is I'm outside right now, so you can actually see how this light works at 100%. It looks like it makes it's really nice, actually. So that's how bright it can get. Now there are also other modes to change color temperature. So I'm going to just hit the mode right here and see if I can figure that out. Oh, so we have some effects you can actually do as well. So here's like a flash effect. And then on the back as well, I can switch to the color temperature and bring that up or down. It was set to 5,500. Now I've got it goes all the way up to 8,500 and all the way down to 2,500. So I can really warm this up really nicely as well. I'm going to bring that back up just so you can see the change on my face. I'm holding it really close just so you can see the change. And that's from 2,500 to 8,500 Kelvin. Pretty wide range of colors, I'd say. Very neat. Okay, so let me set this back to 5,500. And it's really nice on the digital display how easy it is to see that. I'm going to switch to another mode, and I'm not really sure what these do, so let's just see. Oh, cool. So this is how you switch the different colors. So this is a pinker color. Bring that down a little bit. I'm going to bring up some blue color. Let's see what happens. Oh yeah, so now I have a blue light here. Bring that down. And I can see how you can really combine this. You can make a lot of different combinations. So this is red. And then we've got green. And this goes all the way up to 255. And all of that is just easily adjusted with these buttons here on the back. So for example, I'm on red right now, and all I have to do is push the plus or minus, for example, and I get my color. Very cool. To mount the light onto a camera, you just take the 1/4 inch adapter, cold shoe adapter, and just screw it onto the bottom. And tighten that up. And then all I do is just put this onto the cold shoe on my camera. Perfect. One thing that's kind of cool about this light is that it has a bunch of different little preset scenes. So for example, here is one that they call the police. Now I would say that you should put this in your car and use this, but it's there. This one they call ambulance. This one they call fire truck, probably because it's flashing red. Now this one they call fast RGB, and this one just seems to change through all the different colors. So that's actually pretty neat as well. And in case you're ever lost in the woods and all you've got left is your pseudophoto light, there's even an SOS mode. Once again, this is the pseudophoto RGB LED on-camera video light sold by Dazzne on Amazon. And I think you guys should check this out, because not only is this bi-color, but it's multicolor, because not a lot of these little on-camera lights can change to as many colors as this one can. And the quality of the light that's coming off of this is really nice. So I totally recommend it. Thanks guys, see you later.